Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today we'll see how can you load your localhost website in your mobile. So there are three steps you need to follow. First step is you need to connect the device at the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. So you can see I can go to my Wi-Fi and there I have connected to 5G. Similarly, I can go to my real device. I have connected to a real device, and in real device I can say this is also 5G. Okay, perfect. Now get your IPv4 address. So simple one you can do, like go to your other, whether you can type ipconfig in command, or you can go to your Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi settings. Okay, then go to details. In details you go to TCP IP and go to your IP address. So this is, I'm using MacBook, so I'm following these are the steps to get the IP. Okay, so otherwise you can type ipconfig in Windows, or you can similarly follow in Windows to get the IPv4 address. Then you need to get your localhost URL. Okay, so localhost URL is, go here and here you can see localhost 8083. So what now we need to do, let's open our mobile. So now this is a real mobile I've connected. I'm connecting to Visor and I'm trying to replicate it. Now go to, this is the IP address, then type 8083. Okay, perfect. Now you can see our website is loading here. Okay, so this is the three steps you need to follow. First, you need to get that Wi-Fi in same Wi-Fi, both the laptop and mobile to be connected. Then you need to get the IP per address. Then you need to go to the port number where your stop is running. So now you can see my localhost is running here. Thanks for watching. If it really helped, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.